Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to stop a pending NAB transaction before it processes. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to stop a pending NAB transaction before it processes, what you need to do is turn off the schedule transfer or select the schedule payments option. To do it, simply head over and open up your NAB banking application and be sure to be logged into your account with your banking credentials like username and password. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is just simply head over and select the account that you want to stop, which has the transaction, and then once selected, here you will be sent to this accounts page. And once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on this three-dot icon on the top right corner of the screen, and there you'll find options. And once you're inside there, what you need to do is simply tap on view account details. And once you're inside the view account details, under payments you'll find an option that says my payment section. Then simply tap on it, and once you're inside there, you'll find an option that says transfer and BPay. Simply tap on that, and inside there you'll find an option that says schedule payments. Now here, simply select the transaction and cancel it before processing date and time. If you want to cancel pending authorization of card payments, you cannot usually cancel it yourself once it has been authorized by the merchant. If it was a mistake or duplicate, you can contact the merchant immediately to see if they can reverse or refund it. If the merchant doesn't help, call NAB on 132265 to discuss a dispute or charge book. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.